Barbara Stone is the nurse navigator, and she is amazing. There's no other word to describe her because she puts you at ease and she makes sure before surgery that you have anything you need or want and that all your questions are answered. At no time does she ever feel like she's not reachable or attainable. She gives you her cell number, you can text her, you can call her. She makes the whole process just so easy and smooth without any hiccups. You don't have any worries. If you do have an anxiety or a worry, you pick up the phone and call her and she puts you at ease and walks you right through it. She is a tremendous asset to anyone having surgery. I told her if I had to have any other surgeries, because I do have some arthritis in my shoulder, that she would have to be the nurse navigator. And I told Dr. Patel he'd have to be the surgeon. I don't even know if he does shoulders, but I told him he'd have to do it. And they make such a wonderful team. They complement each other just fantastic. And I think them both being here at John Randolph, it's just such a wonderful experience. I cannot recommend any place else I would go and have my surgery.